Good morning, Automotive Fanatics. It's Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, coming at you guys with another product review. We are going to be working with the Mini Cooper diehards today, specifically for you Mini Cooper owners who do not have the upgraded stereo system in your car. Kind of like myself, I have a Countryman without anything fancy for the radio system, so it's just a bare bones system, and I have something that's going to change how you love your Mini Cooper. Now, in my search for a product that allows me to do some streaming, some navigation use, I ran into a company that's called CarNavi Player, and they make a complete setup here that's going to be a complete replacement for the Mini Cooper's radio setup. So let's go ahead and open up this box. I received this from the company just a few days ago, and we're gonna go ahead and rip it up real quick. All right, guys. Well, first thing, they did a pretty damn good job of packing this thing. Alright guys, well packaged. This here looks like it's the CarPlay and Apple CarPlay Android dongle. And here is the unit. I will tell you, packaging is really good on this. Take a look real quick here, guys. It's styrofoamed all the way around. So let's take a look here, see what we've got. Alright, this here looks like it's going to be the brains of the unit, and Jesus, I'm so damn excited to get this in. From the manufacturer told me that this is going to be an 8-inch screen, and let's go ahead and measure it real quick. So yeah, I stand correct, about 7.5 inches, guys. So this is going to be your main screen with the navigation in it. You got the volume controllers. Let's see what else we got in here. We've got a bunch of other connections here. Looks like we've got the main components, some inputs for video as well. And what else do we have in here? Okay, here's kind of the base that it came with. And I think this is going to be kind of your central CD hub. And that's gonna replace the stock unit underneath that has the CD player. So it looks like everything is gonna be very straightforward with the connections. The purpose of today's product review is to really kind of do an unveiling of the product. I haven't installed this one before, but I have experience using an Android system in a Japanese vehicle. Prior, I had a CT that I had this an Android system in. Absolutely loved it. It changed how I interacted with the car, because I was able to connect again Android Auto off my phone, and it was a complete game changer. I am anticipating for this one to do the same thing. Man, this looks great. Yeah, super excited to get this in here. Everything looks like it is all labeled here. Main 1, main 2, main 3. It's got the bus lines. Wow. Yeah, they did a pretty good job of detailing everything that you need to plug in. But as with most of the unit that you're going to get from China, they're always going to tell you that you should have it professionally done, or I'm sorry, professionally installed, because I have no directions. And that's okay, because everything does look like it's totally plugged in. what I will do is I'm going to actually make this a 3-part video. This is going to be the first part that kind of shows you guys the overlay of the things that we have, and then I'll put together a DIY on how to essentially disconnect or disassemble the Mini Cooper, install this unit, and then the third part of this series is going to be how the product works and a demonstration of it so that you guys can determine if this is going to be a good purchase for you. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the Mini Cooper, and I will see you guys on the next series on this part of this navigation setup.